Hi, this is Pete Bloom from Solvability, and today I have an Office 365 tip specifically related to Office 365 for Business and for people that are using OneDrive for Business. And what we're going to start with here is you'll see on a regular team site for Office 365, a lot of times people will have a whole lot of documents that they've collected, and they would also like to have those documents offline. So then what they do is they want to sync them so that the files are on their computer. And to get these files, you would basically just come up here and hit sync. It would give you some choices and you would tell it okay, and then you would basically get the files synced to your computer. And once you get them synced to your computer, then they're going to be over here where you can find them in your file manager. Now they could be in one of two places depending on the version of Office 365 that you have. Oftentimes you'll have a OneDrive for Business and they will be over there. But in my case, under my favorites, I just have this SharePoint here, and this is where mine is located. So OneDrive for Business or SharePoint. So when I come over here to my team site information, you'll see that this here matches the folders here. So the more stuff you put in these folders, the more that you'll find it fills up your hard drive. People will start running out of space, and then they'll not know what to do. They'll be like, how do I take care of this? I'm syncing. What do I have to do? Well, there actually is an easy solution. If you come down here to the very bottom right corner, normally most computers you'll see have this little tiny arrow that's pointing up that's showing, basically it signifies there's more objects. So we'll click that, and then right here, this little arrow in the orange circle, that is the Microsoft Office Upload Center. And you can come in here and make some adjustments that will fix your issue. So we'll click on that. We'll say Open Upload Center. Now if it was currently syncing any of the files in here, you would see that that was happening. You could also sometimes see errors in there if it basically ran out of space and it didn't have any room to copy anything else. It would show you. Another way that you can get to this, if you don't have the little arrow down in the bottom, there are two ways. If you have an older version of Windows, you could come all the way over here and you would have a start button. You would click on your start button. You would say all programs. You would go to Microsoft Office, and then you would look for Microsoft Office Tools, and in there you would find the Upload Center. Now if you have Windows 8 or 8.1, what you can do is you can click on your little thing down here, and up in the very top you would click on the search. When you click on search, it'll give you your little box, and just type the word Office. And the very first thing that you'll see that pops up in that list is the Office Upload Center, and you would just click directly on that and it would take you to the same location where you see this box right here. Now, to take action to fix the problem of running out of space on your computer, we'll go to Settings. And right here where it says Cache Settings, this is pretty much the key. Days to keep files in the Office document cache, mine's set to 14. If you're having an issue, best thing to do is just change that number and set it to 1. If you set it to 1, basically it'll get rid of everything almost immediately. If you want them instantly, you can check this box right here to delete the files from the cache when they're closed. So that basically means if you have Office 365 open in the browser and you're all done and you close that, then it'll go ahead and delete cached. And then you can also delete cached now so that it takes care of the current problem. And by adjusting these settings and then clicking OK, it will basically resolve the majority of your problem. There are things that can be done, but that's for another video. Thank you. I hope this tip was helpful, and have a great day.